Day 8. Lists in Python. What if you could store multiple values in a single variable? In Python, lists are used to store multiple items together. Fruits equals open bracket, quote apple, quote, comma, quote, banana, quote, comma, quote, mango, quote, close bracket. Print open parenthesis fruits, close parenthesis. This list stores 3 fruit names inside one variable. You can access items using index numbers. Print open parenthesis, fruits open bracket 0 close bracket close parenthesis. Here, Python prints the first item in the list. Lists are very useful for handling large amounts of data. Lists are used in shopping apps, student records, AI datasets, and games. Tomorrow we'll build a mini Python project. Follow Innovex Arena and keep learning Python daily.